So guys, I was just doing some work and replying to some comments on YouTube, and the time is around 4:30. I'm expecting my friends anytime now, but I just went to open the door thinking that my friends came, and I got something else. So what I got is these high protein bars, whey protein bar. Okay, so and one more thing, I promise that I'll fix the focusing of this camera very soon. Just a little bit I have to do. I just don't know what it is. So I just got this is a protein bar, whey protein bar, not like any other ones like Right Bite or any other. This is something different. Okay, so I have contacted the brand as well, not like to send me stuff. This is, I paid for it. So this is one that I really think will be good if they do something different. Okay, I'm going to talk to you about that. This is the second time I bought this. Okay, the first time was like 1 2 weeks back, like 1 week back I guess, and I finished all of those because it was so good. So this flavor is the almond fudge flavor, so I'll just open it up. I got this from Amazon. So here are the protein bars, guys. So one thing is there with this protein bar. So guys, one thing that is there with this protein bar is the packaging. Okay, I will be open with you guys. The packaging is not the best. Okay, packaging is not the best. I'll be honest with you guys. It can be really better, but I think they're just a startup company, so anything is acceptable. But the main thing that I bought it was for what's inside. Okay, you get one bar for 85 rupees. So for I got like 6 bars I think. So for 6 bars the price will be around 510 rupees. So it was just manufactured like 3 days back. So that is the thing, it just comes out of the manufacturing into your pockets or into your house. So per bar you have 239 calories, 20 gram of protein, 28 grams of carbs, 5 grams of fibers, 11 grams of sugars, and 7 grams of fat. Okay, now every protein bar has 20 grams of protein, but what sets this apart is the ingredients. Okay, protein blend, whey protein concentrate and whey protein hydrolysate. Okay, or hydro whey plus whey protein concentrate. So then they have dates, almonds, and all those other things for the flavoring. They have added oats, they have added cocoa and salt. So that is the thing, guys. And the sodium content is just 150 mg. So this is one of the best pre-workout and post-workout things that you can use in India. Okay, I'll tell you, in India there might be the Quest bar or any other bar, but in India I think this is the best so far. Now the time is 4:40. I'll have one meal and then I'll show you what I'm having. I'll have this pre-workout and I'll show you guys how it tastes. Okay, the last time I bought the peanut butter, this time I bought the almond fudge. So if you think that you want to buy it, then click the link in the description box below. It will take you to Amazon. Again, it is an affiliate link, so remember that. So just check it out, guys. I think this will be one good for the future, but I think they need to improve their packaging shit, because this is not the best packaging that I have seen. It just looks ordinary, but the inside stuff will be really good. So guys, I thought, fuck it, I'll just have it now. So I'll have this and then I'll have my pre-workout, because it doesn't have a lot of calories, just 239 calories and 20 grams of protein. So I'll open it up. I think I forgot, you have this one small incision over here, so all you need to do is just open it up. The packaging is not the best, guys. If you are watching this video, the brand, any one of you are watching this video, packaging is not that good, I'll tell you openly. But there is just a new company, so that would be good. Here is the bar, guys. Okay, this is how it looks. So let me taste it. Almond fudge, so it should taste like almond and a little bit of chocolate as well. So let me taste it. The taste is world class. Okay, I'll tell you, the taste is world class, but again, it becomes an exercise for your jaws. So that is one thing. I think they need to be a little bit more softer and easier to chew. So what I'll do is I'll keep this in the fridge, and maybe then I'll see whether it tastes better, not taste better, whether it the the ease of chewing becomes easier or not. So good tasting, good macros. The two things that I don't like is the packaging as well as the hardness. It is very hard. Okay, so that is the thing. This is my review of the high protein bar, and if you want you can buy it. It will be really, I bought this if I go out with friends, then I can carry this, because lately I've been eating a lot of junk when I go out with friends. So from 2 weeks I'm very serious, so don't want to get off track. So that is why I bought this bar. So stay tuned. So guys, through this workout I would like to share a couple of things with you all regarding training during your diet. So if you're watching my videos, you are mostly a beginner or an intermediate. So by beginner I mean you are in the first 2 years of your training, or the first year, or you have just been training for 2 years. Or intermediate means like 2 to 4 years of training. So if you're a beginner, fine. But if you're an intermediate, when you're dieting, don't expect that you can build muscle and burn fat at the same time. This is the truth, guys. As negative as it sounds, that is the truth, sadly. So recently what I've been doing is, my goal when I go to the gym is just to build muscle. Okay, that is the only thing that is in my mind. But sometimes I forget about respecting my body when it comes to preventing injuries. So here I went for 35 kg dumbbells, which I usually do very easily for shoulder press. But previous day I did chest and triceps. Okay, so my triceps were roasted the previous day, and it was very difficult for me to lift. But once I was able to lift it, you can see that with little bit of support or support from my trainer, I could lift the weights in a proper way. But still my face was like it was not a very good set. So one advice for you guys would be, you can't build muscle when you're dieting. So why not train smartly, optimally, and try to preserve as much muscle as possible, and also prevent minor injuries as well. So after the dumbbell shoulder press, I went for some lateral raises with dumbbells. I did it seated because I currently, or from the past 6 months, have concentrated primarily on my form rather than the weights I lift. If you perform exercise with a proper form, the weights or your strength will increase. So you need to teach your body the proper form, and then your body will respond back by letting you lift more weights. So the reason I did shoulders seated, as you all know, is because of the form, as well as the gym was crowded as fuck and I didn't have even the place to stand. So I just sat on the bench which was already placed there, and I did 3 sets. So bring the dumbbells side. Okay, this is a lateral raise, which means bringing the dumbbells to the side. Many people do it like a front raise. So again, with the cables, I'm leaning to my left when I perform the lateral raises for the left hand or the left delt, because I want to get a better range of motion, and again I want to prevent cheating. So the reason I look red and red and vascular is because of the lighting, as well as I was sweating because of the increase in temperature because of the number of people in the gym. So for all the exercises I did 3 sets around 8 to 12 reps. So here Suhas is performing. One more thing is, if people are with you or your training partner, try to motivate him or gain motivation from him as much as possible, guys. One thing that I forgot is, Suhas is training with me, and I forgot that even he is on a cutting diet, and if I was with him and if I helped him in with not with the diet and workout, though he is doing, but I wanted to do more for him, like setting an example, but I couldn't do it because I was going to the gym very late, and his studies, he's in the 4th year of engineering, and for him it became very difficult to maintain his fitness lifestyle as well as studies, and I take part of the blame for that. So now I have decided that I am going to go early to the gym. I am going to do cardio so that he will do the cardio with me, and as I change my body, he'll also change his body, because we are doing things together. So we have big plans, guys. I'm not going to reveal it. So we are not only going to be buddies in the gym, we want to take this forward as well. So for the rear delts, I did 2 exercises. The first exercise being the rear delt flies. So 2 tips, guys.
First tip would be not to pull the weights all the way back, because then it will hit your traps and the back muscles rather than your rear delts. So the second tip would be keeping your triceps in a flexed position, which means you are keeping your elbows extended throughout the exercise, so you don't use your triceps to pull the weights. So rear delts are very delicate or very small muscles, guys, so it is very important to isolate them in a proper way. So here you can see, so if you let us imagine that Suhas is going to bring the rope all the way back, then what will happen is his traps will get activated. So you can see that his triceps are flexed and he is pulling the weights back or the cable back with his rear delts. So that is how you train your rear delts, guys. And the last exercise that we did for the workout was some face pulls. Face pulls is a very good exercise, guys. I've been doing this throughout my bulk and throughout my cut, and as you can see, I'm just performing, or I'm just pulling the weights back. It's as simple as that with my elbows. Okay, just pull your elbows back, and this also hits your lower traps as well. Lower traps is a very neglected muscle, because it doesn't gets activated most of the time. So just try face pulls again. I did 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. So that was the end of the workout, guys. I know this video was not that special or something, but I hope you guys got something new, or at least 1 point from this video. So now that you're watching this video on 15th August, today is our Independence Day, guys. I would like to wish all the Indians happy Independence Day if you're in India or anywhere in the world. So our TBA Army member Sheikh Mohsin from Kuwait is going to dedicate a song to all our Indians. So Jai Hind, guys.
Thank you.